Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cooking with Karen, and today I'll be doing born sugar. I did a stew called born sugar stew, and you use the same recipe and you just add your tomatoes, maybe if you want, your potato, your chicken and everything, and you make a stew. We know it's hard times, we know round about. Right now is April and we got different options. So this is your option. If you want to watch the video how to do the born sugar stew, we can just burn this sugar, and this sugar you can instead to make the same pepper pot. We got the black cake, the same color with the black cake is get. This is with do it. You got the stew, the same color. You want for your Chinese sauce, instead of you got Chinese sauce, you run out of that. We got, right now, we got run about. And we know we're going on money in there. So, we got the burnt sugar. And the burnt sugar gonna come in handy for anything you got to do. You want to color your food, make it look nice and thick. I got you right here. But, before I show you what you got to forget, you got to do something for me. You gotta like the video, you gotta subscribe to the thing, and tell all your friends and your family. Good. The first thing you'll need is some brown sugar. Now this is about 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. It is not a lot here, but let me tell you, when you burn this sugar, burn sugar is a powerful thing. You don't need much of it. So this is just right. You're gonna need some cinnamon, and you just need a piece of cinnamon, and you're gonna need about 5 cloves. You got the clove here. Just need about 5 cloves, and you put it with this and so. And here I have my cast iron pot. You see how thick it be and heavy, solid, and a spoon. So that is all you need to make sure you food looking good. You sugar bun, you get a stew from. We have the clove 5, the cinnamon, and we can leave it and let it do what it usually do, boil. Right, and then let's move a bit. So that next step, what I will do is to throw a bit of water, and if you put it on high fire and you throw the water, it will start giving this high steam, and you got a lot of splashback on your skin, and you don't want that. You want to minimalize the splashback. So we're gonna do, we turn it down, the stove is still on, and we can add a little water. The reason why I add this water is because when you turn off the stove, if you don't add the water, it is going to get thick. The same thing is going to get thick, hard to manage, and sticky. Right? It's going to get sticky, because remember, this is sugar. So you can just add a bit of water, and when you add this water, it's not going to turn back. See? Notice. Imagine if this was being done on high fire. Right? You want to add a bit of water. Right? That's why you turn down the stove. See? And the amount of water I put, yeah, it's about a half a cup of water. It just depends on how much, if you're making a stew, how much you want to put, or if you're leaving it maybe to use it later, how much of the sauce you want, right? And notice how it's jet black, so you have the consistency you want now. Notice the color. Sugar, and I'm going to throw it in this jar, and I could put it in the fridge, you know. See it? Good. See, you have lovely burnt sugar. Look at it. And you could use it for anything. So, what I want you to do, like, subscribe, tell all your friends and your family. This is a nice recipe. Try it. You can't go wrong. And a lot of Guyanese use this for a lot of other recipes. We famous black cake. This is one of the things we use. Or we use a cast rib. We call it the same cast rib with the cassava. Well, there's another recipe for another time. But anyways, why you like, subscribe, tell all your friends and your family. Bye.